Welcome to a Christmas edition, Time Trial Tuesday. Wait a minute, this isn't that festive. Whoa, that's a little bit better, but I think we can do more. Whoa, that's a lot more festive. And this week, Santa asked us to see how long it would take to deliver a WRC rally car. And to do that, we'll be playing WRC and using the 2015 plus WRX STI. We'll be doing this in the Sweden Sun Rally stage, and it's a completely snow stage, so it should be a lot of fun to see sliding through the corners and everything, and there's a lot of snow ridges on the side, so it will be a bit of a challenge, but I'm really excited for it, and I hope we can get a good time for Santa. So without further ado, let's get into it.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go 60, turn square left, 30, 4 right, 50, slide left, tightens 5 long, 40, 3 right, keep in, and 6 left, long tightens, 80, slight left of a jump, 30, caution, bump, and left of a crest, into 1 right, half long, around bales, 80, crest, into 6 left, brake, and left of a crest, and 3 right, 50, slight left, tightens 4, half long, and crest, and slight left, 120, big jump, 110, 4 left of crest, opens, 40, 6 right, half long, opens, into small crest, 130, 5 right short, 40, 2 left, 40, 3 right, 30, 1 right short of a crest, 40, 3 left short, keep in, 30, 4 right, 4 left short, 80, 6 left, half long, slowing, 80, 1 right, half long, and 2 left, keep in, and 3 right, open 6 of crest, 30, 5 left, 30, 6 right, tightens 5, and 3 left, and 6 right, 40, 5 left sharp, 80, long crest, 50, left of a jump, and 4 right, and 6 left, into small jump, 100, slight left, 170, slight right, into bump, keep right, and 6 left, slowing, and crest, to 3 left, 70, crest, into 5 right, 50, 4 left, keep in, 100, 3 right sharp, and 6 left, 40, crest, and 5 right, into left of a crest, 30, 1 left short of a crest, 40, 6 right, and 6 left, over finish to stop. Okay, that's a 2-minute 49.0.
Wow, thanks for joining me on that run. That was so much fun. I felt like we were really flying and really got into a good rhythm. It's so much fun driving on the snow. I absolutely love it. Even though there's the challenges of the ridges and even that like huge jump there in that one section, it's so much fun to do, and I encourage you to try the snow driving in WRC because it is a lot of fun. It's a bit challenging, like I said, but it is, once you get the hang of it, it's a lot of fun to do. And I hope Santa's happy with their time, and we showed him how easy it would be to deliver a WRC rally car to that rally stage in Sweden there. But yeah, I had a lot of fun, and like always, if there is a car, game, or track you want us to cover, please leave it in the comment section below. And from all of us here at Premix, have a Merry Christmas, and I'll leave you here with some more cinematic footage of the rally.